So how is alimony calculated in the state of Florida? Well, alimony is based on need and ability to pay. Does one spouse have the need for alimony, and does the other spouse have the ability to pay to satisfy all or some of that need? Unlike child support, alimony is not a formula, so there's a lot of discretion that the judge or the court has when it comes to calculating alimony. They're also going to consider the length of the marriage when they're considering alimony. If your marriage is between 0 and 7 years, that's typically considered a short-term marriage, and it's going to be a short-term amount of alimony depending how long you're married, but typically it's never allowed to exceed the actual length of the marriage. But usually it's much less than that. If you're married between 7 and 17 years, that's considered a midterm marriage in Florida, which usually means that one spouse would be entitled to durational alimony, which is alimony just for a duration or period of time. Again, the maximum amount is up to the full length of the marriage, but in my experience, most judges take about half the length of the marriage or somewhere around there. If you're married over 17 years, then there's a presumption in favor of permanent alimony, which is basically alimony until you retire at a reasonable age for retirement. Now, of course, all of this is going to depend on your own individual circumstances. And again, there's no formula for alimony. While there are some alimony calculators out there, just like there's one on our website, these are merely just guidelines. And again, a judge does have a lot of discretion when it comes to calculating alimony. So I would definitely encourage you to consult with a family law attorney, discuss your own individual situation, and see if alimony is going to be a factor in your divorce case.